Hello homeschoolers, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. I'm back. I hope you are seeing my videos. We are doing videos for homeschoolers, those who are in secondary courses, that is grade 9 and 10. I've started with first chapter, number system, where I have finished with operations of rational numbers. Hope you're seeing my videos. If not, please see my videos, like and share and subscribe to my channel, that is Homeschooling with SciMa. So let's get started with the topic of the day. Okay. So today we will do a check your progress 1.2, that is exercise 1.2 of the first chapter. The first question here is add. So I have in the last video I have told you the rules of additions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the rational numbers. We have studied all that. I have shared some tips and tricks also regarding that. You can check out those videos. So this exercise is regarding those operations. Okay. So first question, add the following rational numbers. The first part of the first question is 3 by 7 plus 6 by 7. The second question is 2 by 15 plus 6 by 7. Third question is 3 by 20 plus minus 7 by minus 20. And fourth question is 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So the second question, second part was 2 by 15 plus minus 6 by 15. So if you see, one thing common in all the four parts of the first question is that here the denominators are equal. So I have told you how to add the rational numbers with equal denominators. What do? We add the numerators and we write the denominator as it is. Okay, so here we get 9 by 7. Second one also same, write the denominator as it is and add up the numerators. So since here 1 is negative number, we do subtraction and sign of the bigger number. So we get minus 4 by 15. Okay. Here also denominator is 20, we write as it is. So here it is, you can write this in the standard form. So minus 7 by minus 20 you can write as plus 7 by plus 20. Okay. So here the denominator will be 20 only. So you can add up the numerators, you will get 10 by 20, you can cancel the 0, you get 1 by 2. Okay. The last one again very easy, denominator is 8 and add up the numerators, you will get 4 by 8, that is 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. Okay. So this is how we do the first question where the denominators are same. We just add up the numerators and we get the answer. Okay. Okay. Now the second question here the denominators are not equal. Okay, here the denominators are different in each question if you see. So how I explained you, when the denominators are not equal, what do? We cross multiply, right? So we cross multiply. So here we'll do 3 into 3 plus 5 into 2 divided by, in the denominator also you have to multiply 2 into 3. So we get here 3 into 3 9 plus 5 into 2 10 by 6. So we get 19 by 6. If you are able to reduce it to lower form, you can reduce it. Okay. Here also 17 into 9 plus 5 into 7 divided by 7 into 9. Okay. So here we get 153 plus 35 by 63. And if you add, you get 188 by 63. Okay. Third question also 2 into 7 plus 5 into minus 5 and denominator 5 into 7. So here we get 14 plus minus 25 by 35. So we get minus 11 by 35. So in all the three cases, if you see, we are not able to reduce it to lower term because they don't have anything common except from 1. Okay, there is no common factor between them. Okay, so this is our final answer for question number 2. So question number 3 here is again a little complex question where you have 3 rational numbers addition. Okay, so the first part, minus 7 by 8 plus minus 5 by 12, 3 by 16. Children, we are doing NIOS reader questions, that is check your progress 1.2. okay, so here if you see, this is given, the first two rational numbers, they are given the bracket, right? So first we will solve what is given in the bracket. So here again the denominators are different, we will go for cross multiplication. Okay, so minus 7 into 12 plus 8 into minus 5 by 8 into 12. Okay, so here we will get minus 84 plus minus 40 divided by 96. Okay, this is in the bracket, and 3 by 16 we write as it is outside the bracket. Okay, so here both are negative numbers, added, retain the minus sign and add up the numbers. You get minus 124 by 96, and this 3 by 16 you write as it is. Again same rule we have to follow here, cross multiplication for these two rational numbers. Okay, so here we will write minus 124 into 16 plus 96 into 3 divided by 96 into 16. We have to multiply the denominators also. So here we get minus 1984 plus 288. 96 into 3 is 288 and divided by 1536. So here we have a negative number, one positive number. We do subtraction and retain the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so here we get 1696 by 1536. Okay, so this is the answer we get. You can reduce it if you want, divide by 2, both are divisible with 2. You will get minus 848 divided by 763. Okay, so this is the answer for the first part. Now the question number 3, second part, is again same kind of question. 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5. So again we will solve the number which is there in the bracket. We do cross multiplication. 7 into 4 plus 3 into 3 by 3 into 4. This 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 you can write as it is. So here we get 28 plus 9 by 12 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so here we get 37 by 12 plus minus 3 by 5. Again we have to go for cross multiplication. 37 into 5 plus 12 into minus 3 divided by 12 into 5. Okay, so here we get 185 plus minus 36 divided by 60. Okay, here you have one positive sign, one negative sign. We go for subtraction, sign of the bigger number. So we get 149 by 60. Okay, so here we cannot reduce it to lower term. So this is our final answer. Okay, now the fourth question, we start with subtraction. Here the denominators are same. So we follow the same method which we followed for addition. We write the denominator as it is and we do subtraction of the numerator. Okay, so here we get 6 by 15. You can reduce it, dividing with 3 you will get 2 by 5. Okay, here also write the denominator 3, minus 5, minus 7 in the numerator. So you get here minus 12 by 3, which is minus 4. Here also, now here your denominators are different, so we go for cross multiplication. Do 9 into 7 minus 24 into 3 and divided by 24 into 7. So you get here 63 minus 72 by 168. So this is a positive number, this is the negative number. So we do subtraction, we get 9, and bigger number is having minus sign, so we get minus 9 by 168. Okay, so this is the answer for the fourth question.